Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Chemistry Era. This is Anil. Today we are going to learn about intermediate first year's very interesting chapter, that is states of matter. In that we are going to learn about very important ideal gas equation. Before going to learn about ideal gas equation, let us try to understand about very important gas laws. First gas law we are going to learn, that is Boyle's law. What is this Boyle's law says? According to Boyle's law, a constant temperature, volume of given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. I repeat, according to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, volume of given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Second law we are going to learn, that is Charles' law. According to Charles' law, volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. According to Charles' law, volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to its temperature. Now let us try to understand the difference between V proportional to 1 by P and V proportional to T. Here, volume and pressure are inversely proportional to each other, which means when the volume increases, pressure decreases. When volume decreases, pressure increases. That means volume and pressure are inversely proportional to each other. Now, let us try to understand the relation between volume and temperature. In this case, volume and temperature are directly proportional to each other, which means when the volume increases, temperature also increases. When volume decreases, temperature also decreases. Now let us try to understand about Avogadro's law. According to Avogadro's law, equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of moles. Equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of moles, which means as the number of molecules increases, volume of the gas also increases. As the number of moles increases also, volume of gas also increases at constant temperature and pressure. By combining these three laws, that is Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law, we are able to derive this ideal gas equation. How? Let us try to see. Now, let us derive ideal gas equation. Before going to derive ideal gas equation, let us try to recall. According to Boyle's law, V proportional to 1 by P. According to Charles' law, V proportional to T. According to Avogadro's law, V proportional to M. By combining all these three laws, we can write V proportional to 1 by P into T into N, or I can write V proportional to NT by P. In order to remove this proportionality, I am keeping a constant that is R. Therefore, V is equal to R into NT by P. If I bring P2 on this side, then PV is equal to NTR. PV is equal to NTR. This is called as a ideal gas equation. Now let us try to understand what is P, what is V, what is N, what is T and what is R. What is P? P is the pressure exerted by the gas. What is V? V is the volume occupied by the gas. What is N? N is the number of moles. What is mole and all others? I will give the link in order to understand about a mole in the description. Please go and watch it. What is T? T is the absolute temperature or temperature expressed in a Kelvin scale. Then let us try to understand what is R. Very important. R is a universal gas constant. Very important. Universal gas constant. This what are the values of this R? Let us try to understand. In ideal gas equation, PV is equal to NTR. That R is called as a universal gas constant. The value of R depends on the units of pressure and volume. Now, the value of R is 8.314 when the pressure is expressed in bar and volume is expressed in liters. Of course, temperature we are going to express in kelvins only. Bar, liter inverse, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. So, when you take the pressure in bar and volume in liters, then the universal gas constant R value will be 8.314. Now, the value of R is 0.0821. In some textbook, it is written as 0.083. Both are nothing but one and the same. Then it will be the value of R is 0.0821 when pressure is taken in Pascal, volume is taken in meter cube inverse. Of course, temperature and moles nothing change. So it is the value of R is 0.0821 Pascal, meter cube inverse, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.